So, good morning. Welcome back on stage. My name is Sergio Maria Campanelli, and I work for Carel Industries. And I have the unlucky role to try to keep you awake after lunch. So, please let me help you. The world has changed, and the software development is not an exception. Developing innovative software application much faster and in a more effective way is a key factor for the success. From the thermodynamic point of view to the final application, let me say, a lot of requests from the market are the new challenge for the OEM manufacturers, especially in the heat pump sector. The integrated approach of various tools combined with the recursive and the interdisciplinary workflows is the main answer solution to the increasing demanding requirement of the HVAC market. So we need to build something in order to, let's face this challenge. So let's put in place the first stone. And I will tell you a story that probably many of you will recognize. I would like to introduce a new fantasy company in the HVAC world that is named SVCC GmbH. That is the sum of the Wärmepumpen Carel customer, that you can find here. It is a company that is placed here in the north of Germany, specialized in the HVAC, with approximately 440 employees, 2 R&D office in the different production plant, and different sales representative. They have approximately 25 people in R&D, including thermodynamic, electrical, mechanical, and software engineers. The company is growing, and 3 new guys are entering the family. So they will be with us during the story. We have Mike, that is a young graduated energy engineer that is joining the R&D thermodynamic team. We have Paul, is graduated from the Technical Institute as a general software developer, and he will join the R&D software development team of the company. And then there is Hank, that is a guy with 12 years of experience in a heating company that joined as the new service team and training manager of the company. So they start the development, What they will find? In that company, since a couple of years, they decide to adopt our development suite and tools. That's called ST1, or I prefer to say Stone. Sounds better. How would this choice from the company make our friends' working life easier? Let's see. So, Mike has just come out from the university, is entering the lab, is combining his theoretical knowledge with the experience of the colleague, and for sure, he was fully skilled about the using of tool classic for thermodynamic engineer, modeling, simulating, MATLAB. What is really important, that all the work that Mike makes, could be easily exported and moved inside the development tool for the controller application, because the tools could be integrated between them. Then we have Paul. Paul is just arrived. He started training himself, made some 5 days training offer by Carel as a member of a customer company. But by the way, is few years that is already working with C++, Java, PHP, Python, so all the standard language that any kind of software developer have to use now in any market, not in the HVAC one. The tool that we propose is fully compliant to the IEC 61131 in terms of ST code programming. So it's not discovering something new. It's something that is already part of him. He's just discovering now how much easy and how much faster could be his learning curve to become effective since the beginning in the design of the architecture of the future solution for the company. It can also save time, because the tool gives you the possibility to integrate some AI tools, like the possibility to ask the tool to, please make some working for him. You can ask to write some predefined function, check your code, optimize, and save your time. The tool from his side give you proposal in terms of variable code already listed that you can copy and paste and use in your software, and then modify. So far, Paul is part of the headquarters software team. There is another team in the southeast of Germany, and there is one lucky guy that is working fully remote from the software point of view. So how these guys can work together without destroying each one the work that the other one made in the last days. Okay. The tool allows a complete full team working, supporting the major versioning tool like JIT, and give you the possibility to work together as different players over the same source code, versioning, and saving time because you can parallelize the task and not just put one in front of the other. The tool is equipped with automatic test phase, so Paul can also decide how he wants to test his code, how to make the recursive test. Every time I release a new version, I want to make a regression test, checking that I didn't destroy all the work that I made in the last 3 months. Automatic test, unit test, you can create your library of things to do and to check before to release the next software. And then we have Hank. Hank is coming from a meeting company. He doesn't have so much experience about this kind of units. For sure, he has no experience of programming, but we have to let him self-train, increase his unit knowledge, also if it is not a software guy. Perfect. We can provide to him, just as starting from his laptop, working in the office or working from home, the possibility to completely simulate the software in order to check how the mask appear, what I will see, what I can do, which value I can manage. Okay, creating configuration and use that as a self-training, but also for educational point of view. I can use this tool installed in a single laptop in order to explain other people how my units are working, because this guy is responsible of the whole service team of the company. And new unit is coming, I need to quickly teach the people that go in the field how to solve problems and how to recognize the situation. Paul, Mike, and Hank are 3 different profiles, and also if they are not even related, they are in some way digital twins. Software skill, thermodynamics, service. Maybe we need something more than a software simulator. Maybe we need to find a way to transform your laptop in a sort of complete virtual unit system. So you have the possibility to have your heat pump digitalized inside your laptop and running in parallel together with your software controller. Every time you switch on a compressor, you can see the real effect. Paul doesn't know nothing about thermodynamics, but with this tool, he could for sure quickly and easily approach to what could be the typical issue if a device is broken or it doesn't work well, in order to improve also the quality of his software design. Then the big part is made. We have the first sample, the unit is in the lab, and can say, okay, now I need to start to test. Now I need to connect with the unit. I'm still not a software developer. I don't install Stone in my laptop, so I need something else. I need a tool for service, for commissioning, that allow me to locally connect to the unit and see what's going on, create configuration, save parameterization, download log, create part that can be also reused by the other guys that are on the field. And the guys on the field, okay, they can take their laptop and they can do the same. Or you need to give something more usable, more quick, more light, like the phone that each one of us get in our pocket. So using the local connectivity, I can make exactly the same thing that Anker was making in the lab, also in the phone. Parameterization, configuration, like also while the unit is running, just to check when the things happen and how. So the test is finished, everything is done. The field test, okay guys, is the breaking moment. We find a good customer that allow us to install 3 units in the field. We test everything, but something doesn't work, as usual. Something doesn't work, and okay, I'm alone in Austria, 800-900 kilometers from the headquarters. The other 2 guys are in office. Okay, maybe I can call and I can try to explain what I see, or I can, okay, show the mask in a live, but it's not enough. Probably we need to check deeply what is happening. So, still using my phone, I can open a gate for my colleagues, and they will be virtually close to me in front of the unit as they were connected 2 meters and not 800 kilometers far away. So both from the unit control that from the deep debugger approach you will have the possibility to be like having a controller on your desk. And so facing the possibility to really find the root cause. And the real specialized people, the real value of the knowledge of your company is still doing what is necessary to do, supporting also whatever is happening on the field. Also, if the person in front of the unit is not the one most skilled in the world, or also your company, by the way. So, the project finished, the unit is in the market, maybe we will also able to sell, but the journey is just started. The journey starts and go back, like a sort of infinite loop. A little bit is the title of the presentation that we are enjoying now. So we develop, you test, you deploy, and then you repeat again. But at the end, you will enjoy the comfort. Thanks for your attention.